What is the project architecture? Every project contains architecture is nothing but collection of boxes connected by arrow marks. What is the project architecture? A project is divided into 3 parts: UI, programming, database. How many developers develop? How many developers develop the project? And I don't say how many develops, how many types of developers? How many types of developers or teams develop the project? 3 teams will be developed. What are the 3 teams? Web designers, web developers, and database PLSQL developers. Okay, these 3 teams will develop the project. Okay, in modern web applications, how many types of developers are developing project? There is no 3 teams. We have only 1 team. Only 1 team. What is the team? Full stack development. Full stack development team. That's it. Okay. Once you get job in software industry, you must develop the code either from UI side or from database side or for programming side. So this is what we completed last class. Also, we understood just with core Java, can we develop complete project? Come on. Can we develop complete project? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Just with core Java, can we develop complete project? What is your answer? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm saying answer. Yes, sir. Okay. We can develop. Using core Java, we can develop complete project. UI you can develop. Programming you can write. Database also you can write. But database is not database, file system. I want to store a data permanently. Where I can store? In file we can store permanently. Using core Java, can I develop complete project? What is your answer? Yes, we can develop. But the project is a standalone project. What project? Standalone project. Using core Java, we can develop complete business application. One complete business application we can develop, but that project is a standalone application. For example, using core Java, I developed Amazon.in project. Complete project I can develop. But what is the problem? If I wanted to buy the products, can I sit in my home using my laptop? Can I access that project and buy the products? No. It is not internet accessible. Okay. If you install calculator, for example, in my computer, I have calculator installed. I have installed calculator. Open calculator. Right. Okay. I have installed calculator. Tell me, can you open your laptop, access the calculator installed in my system? No. Why? This is a internet accessible or standalone? Standalone. What the meaning of standalone? Within the same computer only we can access. Are you following? Next, very important. Tell me, I have antivirus installed in my system. Antivirus installed in my system. Using the antivirus installed in my system, can you scan the virus in your system? No. I have installed VLC media player in my system. Using that VLC media player, can you play videos in your system? No. Why? Because all these softwares are standalone applications which are developed by using core Java. If you develop a project by using core Java, I can install in one computer and only we can access the project only within the same computer. We cannot access from other computers. Then tell me, if I develop a business application like Amazon using only core Java, where that project can run? Only in the Amazon computer only it will run. Now, if I want to buy the products from my house, I can buy? No. I have to go to Amazon shop and there only use a computer I can buy. So it is very difficult. So the business is expanding or not expanding? Not expanding. What type of applications I need? I need the applications accessible throughout the world. To access throughout the world, what is required? internet application is required. That internet applications to develop, core Java required helping. This core Java, by using core Java, we develop complete project. But this project want access from other computers. For that, we need one layer which can be accessible. That layer is nothing but advanced Java and HTML. HTML and advanced Java making our core Java project accessible throughout the world. And the customer's data or products data coming into Amazon project, you want to store wherein file system. How much data a file can handle? File can handle only little amount of data. Huge terabytes of data I want to add and I want to process. Then for that, what I should use? A database. So now in order to interact with the database, core Java right side one more support is required. Who is that supporter? Right side of core Java, we need one more support program. What is that support program? Advanced Java. What is that name? JDBC. So why extra advanced Java required? Why extra Spring Boot required? Using core Java, can I develop complete project? Yes, I can develop. When I can develop complete project using core Java, why do we need to learn advanced Java, HTML, Oracle, Spring Boot to make our project, accessible throughout the world, to develop a internet application? Is it clear my point? Tell me, just with core Java, can we develop complete project? Yes, yes. Then why do we need what? Advanced Java, what? HTML and then Oracle. Okay, because for making our project internet accessible, using core Java, we can develop only standalone application. By attaching advanced Java, HTML and Oracle, our project will become internet accessible. Then when we can develop project by using advanced Java, HTML, core Java, a internet application, why further required? Why Spring? Then why do we need Spring Boot? Then why do we need Spring and Spring Boot? Spring and Spring Boot. Nowadays Spring is not there, only Spring Boot. Then if we develop this application by using advanced Java, HTML, project development takes so much of the time. To complete project fast with a lot of predefined library, what we require? Spring Boot is required. Everyone understood? Right. So these are the 8 points we have discussed in last class, and just I gave you clear revision and I dictated notes also. People who missed yesterday class, the recorded videos are already available in our YouTube channel. Yesterday last 3 classes videos we have streamed online. You can collect them. End of the class I will show you where they are available. So today we are just pending with writing the architecture of the project, and then we'll go for next concepts. Is it clear? Right. People who joined today only, just don't write any notes, or else you can leave. How many pages yesterday taken? 2 pages or 3 pages? 3 complete pages or sites? 3 sites? Okay, 3 sites, 1.5 page you leave and write down this. 1.5 page. Look at this diagram. Is this what we are yesterday discussing? I want to revise once again. Project architecture and skills required to develop project. Project architecture is having 3 parts: UI, programming and database. For developing these 3 parts, what are the skills required? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, next Servlet and JSP, core Java and JDBC, Oracle. Of course, these 3 also comes under programming only. Now UI is developed by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Server side programming is developed by using Servlet and JSP. Core Java meant for developing business logic, okay, and business operations. And database interaction program, DIP means database interaction program, developed by using JDBC. Look at here. This is advanced Java. Now in the companies nowadays using advanced Java? No. What we are using? Spring. Observe, this is the complete diagram. This is the complete diagram. Observe. Project contains 2 parts, front end and back end. UI, programming, Database interaction program, database. That architecture is what? MVC. HTML, CSS, JavaScript versions, latest versions, what you are using? HTML5, CSS4, Angular or React. Angular Jamana gone, only we are using React. Then next, now server-side programming is developed olden days by using advanced Java, Servlet and JSP. Nowadays, what we are using? Spring and Spring Boot. Okay, olden days JDBC is used. Nowadays, what you are using? Hibernate or also Spring will be used. Hibernate, if big applications, Hibernate using. Small applications, Spring Boot only using. And then database is database. This is Spring Boot based architecture is called what? Microservices. Microservices. What the meaning of microservice? Each task will be created as a one individual service. Okay. Then how one service is interact with another service? And second, tell me, once you develop mobile application, that mobile application can be accessible from the computer, laptop, desktop? Yes. Can I access from the mobile app? Yes. Shopping, swiping machine? Yes. ATM? Yes. Another language, .NET project and Python projects? Yes. Then how our Java project interact with other projects? For that, in the middle, one layer will be used. What is that? REST API. So this is the complete project, advanced Java based and Spring Boot based. I want you write this diagram so that you will get clarity on everything what is available where. Clear? Write on this diagram. Everyone, online students, offline students, continuation yesterday class. If you join today only, leave 1.5 page and then write these notes. And we will enter it into core Java today. Completed? Soumya Ranjan, I will share the syllabus at end. Please wait. Everyone completed? So with this, can I expect everyone understood what you are learning for the coming days? In the coming days, as part of our full stack Java, you are learning first level of discussion is what? This one. And second level of discussion is this one. This is core Java, advanced Java based project. Once you learn this MVC architecture based all these technologies, then you are eligible for writing, screen in text exam and eligible for projects. Okay. And second, after what do you call advanced Java completed, then you are going for rewriting the same project by using Spring Boot and microservices. What is this S stands for? Servlet. What is the J stands for? JSP. Write down side, otherwise you will forget. S stands for servlet, J stands for JSP. Is it clear? Shall we proceed next points? Okay. Let's start today class. Take heading chapter 1, Introduction to Java. Okay. So what we are going to discuss as part of this project, as part of this course, the first chapter we are learning Introduction to Java. Okay, core Java just now completed. Let me go for this. Introduction to Java. As part of Introduction to Java, we should learn what is Java, why Java, who invented Java. Minimum, okay. Again, we are not going to deep history of the discussion. And next, types of applications, standalone application and internet application. As when we are discussing about Java, we should compulsory know about what is platform dependency, and what is platform independency. Next, why C and C++ languages are platform dependent, how Java achieved platform independency. Important facts on Java program and Java software. Okay, if you learn these 8 minimum theory points, then launching the program, understanding program will be easy for you. There are two ways of learning. First way, I will teach, I will write the notes, you copy, go from the classroom, next day come, again open notes and copy whatever I want. That is what you learn last 22 years in your colleges and schools. Tell me, next what is your job? Next coming, minimum 20-25 years of work you have to do everything by your own. So slowly you have to improve your brain thought process. You have to start think what to do, how to do, when to do. That process has to start in your brain. For that, I am not going to directly teach you Hello World program like in your colleges and YouTube. If I directly launch a Hello World program, why you come to the class? Why you join the separate training again? Why you are doing the paid training? Like in YouTube, already you have so many free courses available, which will launch directly Hello World program and with what? Buy program, Kantam. Okay, so we don't want to go like that. We want to go systematically. So I'm requesting everyone. So you have to learn minimum these 8 theory points. Then we will go for types of Java softwares, difference between JDK, JRE, JVM. In Java 11 version, JRE is removed. To understand why JRE removed in Java 11 version, today class will helpful a lot. Project design architecture will helpful. And next, download and install JDK software. Then we launch our first program development. Software is required to develop, compile, execute Java program, Java programming elements, Java programming elements, Java programming elements, Java essential statements, developing Hello World program, compilation execution procedure, compiler and JVM activities, solving compile time errors and runtime errors by our own. Some more example programs. If you know these topics, then our first chapter is completed. Everyone understand? Without knowing these concepts, if you directly jump to first Hello World program in the first day itself, then I'm making you by heart. I can skip all these points. And directly make you understand Hello World program. But it's not good programming practice. This is not the good path. So let us go step by step neatly. Let us add daily one by one. Okay, let us add daily one by one, point by point, and let us try to know systematic way. Look at there, software industry door is open for you. Yes or no? You are standing here and looking at, can I go? Can I go or cannot go? Already I am here, na? I am your driver. Get into my bus. Okay, get into my lift. I will take you safely and I'll drop you, throw you inside. Okay, na? Then, if you learn what I am teaching thoroughly, when I throw inside, it will be a heaven to you. If you don't learn what I am teaching, if you are skipping that way, this way, and dancing that way, this way, when I throw you inside, it will become hell to you. So you want to make software industry heaven to you or hell to you, it is in your hand. Are you following my point? Right? So just follow me what I am saying. Slowly, point by point, I will teach you everything. I'll make you understand. Okay? It's my responsibility to make you software engineer. 100% I'm assuring. Okay. Let's start. Come on. Take chapter 1. Write down. Chapter 1. Chapter 1, Introduction to Java. I always believe that if you know the syllabus, what you are learning, then learning journey will be easy. What I am learning tomorrow, what I completed, what I am learning tomorrow, that clarity will be there in your mind. That's why first the complete chapter, detailed syllabus I will give you, topic list I will give you, then I will launch the discussion. Asra, I am not Naresh. Naresh IT Institute name. My name is Krishna. Write down. Introduction to Java. What is Java? Write on the syllabus, please. It's okay. No problem. Please write down all these points. Don't feel lazy to write the notes part. Notes part is very important. Please write down. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, Java software name. Completed? Tell me what is Java? What is Java? What is Java? So here the question is there, now what is Java? Everyone, come on. What is Java? Java is a programming language. Super. Java is a programming language. But I have a question. When Java is Java is a programming language. Is it the first programming language? Or is it the first popular programming language? No. We have first popular programming language in the market is C. Of course, before C languages are there, but more started using is what? C. C is a programming language. Then why Java? Already C is there, na? Then why Java is introduced? Why Java is invented? Because C is not a object-oriented programming language. Okay. C is not a object-oriented programming language. That's why Java came. Then what about middle language C++? C after what we got? C++. What is the meaning of C++? C plus, na? Understand my point? Whatever there in C, everything is taken into where? Java. Sorry, everything taken into C++. But more is added. That more is what? Object-oriented programming. So, using C, C is the most powerful language. Using C, we can develop big operating system also. Such a powerful programming language is C. But C is a structured programming language. It is only suitable for performing mathematical calculations. But to develop big business applications, we need extra features. Those features are object-oriented programming features. Those object-oriented programming features are not available with C language. Hence, people invented what language? C++. After C++ invented, people have started using C++ more for developing both mathematical applications and also business applications. When you have C, C++ already in the market, then why Java invented? Okay, why Java is invented? What the things forced James Gosling to develop Java language? When C and C++ already available, why people have invented Java language? What caused or what forced Mr. James Gosling and their team to develop Java? All people know what is that? Platform. C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent. To achieve platform independency, Java language is invented. So the main target of Java language invented is for achieving platform independence. Okay, sir. When C and C++ doesn't require platform independency, why Java required platform independency? Yes or no? When C and C++ doesn't require platform independency, why Java required platform independency? C and C++ also meant for developing applications. Java is also meant for developing applications. When C and C++ doesn't require platform independency, why Java required platform independency? Acha. Tell me now, when your friend not bought a car, why did you buy the car? Because he is a bachelor, bike is sufficient. You are married, for family to take, car is required. The purpose is different, na? Right? His purpose is different, your purpose is different. So, C and C++ are meant for developing standalone applications. Means the application developed in one computer installed in one computer can be executed only in that computer. But whereas Java target is not developing standalone application, it is meant for developing internet applications. For developing internet applications, what is required? Platform independency is required. Sir, what is platform? I don't know. What is platform independency? I don't know. I will teach now. That's what the target, right? Already syllabus is provided. Clearly, I'm giving everything. So types of application. What is standalone application means what? What is internet application meaning what? What is platform? What is platform dependency? What is platform independency? Every point detailed I will explain. Only have patience to accept the words. Repeat once again. The first point, what is Java? Java is meant for developing platform independent. Okay, sorry. What is Java? Java is a programming language. What type of programming language? Object oriented programming language. So what is that object oriented programming language? Platform independent object oriented programming language. Is it clear? So what is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Why Java is invented? For achieving platform independency. For achieving platform independency, for developing what type of applications? Internet applications. Then who invented Java? Java is invented by Mr. James Gosling in Sun Microsystems. Is all 3 points are clear now? So we have to write. Please complete these remaining syllabus also. We'll go for notes part. Because writing, you feel bored. That's why in the middle I have. Nasifa, I will upload. Also I will dictate. Both I will do. If you want to write, write. Because now demo classes, everyone doesn't have access to. I will share complete notes in Google Classroom. Yeah. Srivastava, I will discuss them also. Chapter wise, we will discuss the questions from Hacker Rank, lead code also. Don't worry. Yeah, I will share. Admin will share you that once payments completed. Admin will share you the Google Classroom and will add you to the Google Classroom. Once you complete payment, already admin has shared the payment details now. People who completed payment, share your payment details to the admin, or if he will add you to the Google Classroom so that you can access material. Okay. Shall we write notes now for the first 3 questions? Please write down this. What is Java? Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language. Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language. Why Java is invented? Java is invented to achieve platform independency for developing internet based business application. Completed? In YouTube comments, Telugu talkies. What are you writing, man? Okay. So completed. Who invented Java? Java is invented by Mr. James Cosley in Sun Microsystem in the year 1991 for developing network-based application. Again repeating, it's invented, not released in the market. He started developing Java language. Okay. Java was invented by Mr. James Cosley in Sun Microsystem in the year 1991. Just started development and released in the market in the year 1995. You can also add that point. The first version of Java is released for the version number 1.0 in the year 1995. YouTube attending students, you can join WebEx class live here using the link given in the description. You can click on description, there you can find the link to come to WebEx. Completed? Now, first point completed, what is Java? Second point completed, why Java is invented. Third point completed, who invented Java. Now we need to understand types of applications. You know, all available softwares are divided into two types of projects or applications. All available softwares or projects or applications are broadly divided into two types. What are the two types? Standalone applications and internet application. Okay, let me explain what is standalone application, what is internet application, then we'll go for notes part. And also I'll explain why Java required platform independency also. Now carefully understand. This is my computer. Your computer? My computer. Now let me. Go, Nana. Okay, this is my computer where I have placed the project asking you to access. A computer in which we place the project asking the people to access is called what? Server computer. Is called what? Server computer. What we call it as? Okay, let's say this is a project or a program or anything. Okay. I have developed the project. I place that project in the computer asking other people to access that project. Okay. Then the people are trying to access this project. How? Observe carefully. And I gave connection to the network also. This is my network. Network is a cloud. NW. NW means network. And our computer is connected to the network. Anyone can access our project. Now you, from your computer, this is your computer. This is your computer, either laptop or a desktop or anything. This is your computer. I am very weak in paint uses. Please separate. Client to computer. The person who is accessing the project is called what? Client computer. Client computer. What you are doing? Your computer is also connected to the internet. Now, you are from your computer via network, you are trying to access this project. Tell me, possible or not possible? Not possible. Understand that? Not possible. If we say not possible, then this application is called what? Come on. Then this application is called what? Standalone application. Standalone application. What the standalone application? A project that is installed in one computer, and if it cannot be accessible from remote computers via network, we call it as what? Standalone application. Then how can we access this application? देखो, ये कौन है? तुम है. You stand here slowly. What are you doing? To access that project, you are moving from your computer to this computer. Walking, and finally you came. Then from this computer, you are accessing this project. Within the same project where you install, is it allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Via internet, via network, if you call this project, it is called network call. What we call? Network call. If you are calling this project to execute within the same computer, this is called local call. What do we call? Local call. Within the computer you access, then we call local call. From other computer via network we access, then we call it as what? Network call. Array simple here. Once upon a time, you have STD, ISTD, local call, na? In your childhood, maybe your father, mother knows that. Now you want to talk to a friend who is available within the same state. What we call it as local call. Now you want to talk to a friend who is available in another state. Then what we call it as STD. You want to call with a person who is available in abroad, US or UK. Then what we call it as ISTD. Remember? Similarly, I have a project. I want to access this project. For that, I have to go to the computer where it is installed. Then we call it as what? Local call. So what is a standalone application? An application that can be accessible only within the computer in which it is installed, not allowed to access from other computers via internet. We call it as what? Standalone application or standalone project. Everyone understand? Tell me, if the program installed in one computer that can be accessible from other computers either via network call or within the same computer via network call, then we call it as what? Internet application. So tell me examples of standalone application. All you people know it. Just now I told you calculator is an internet application or standalone application. Standalone application. Notepad where you type your message. What is this? Standalone application. Okay. Next, antivirus. Antivirus is what? Standalone application. Next, can I take MS Office? This is Paint. MS Office, Paint, MS Word, all are comes under what? Standalone application. VLC is also what? Standalone application. Tell me your favorite internet application. Internet application is nothing but that application access via internet from your browser. Amazon.in. Amazon.in is what? Internet application. YouTube.com. YT.com, internet application. Insta.com, Instagram.com, your favorite websites. No, which is killing your time? Yes or no? Wasting your time on these websites. Instagram.com, WebEx, wonderful. Shaji, excellent. Yeah. WebEx. Using WebEx, online students are joining the class. WebEx.com. All these are comes under what? Internet application. Is it clear now? Okay. First, you write these notes. Then why Java required in platform independency? I'll explain. Now, please write out. Today class little heavy notes is there. No problem. Today class little heavy notes is there. No problem. Types of applications. All available softwares are yeah, book my show is also Pranay. Super. Gallery. Standalone application, na? I will discuss that point, okay? Give me a few minutes. There is a surprise, shocking question to all. Give me 2 minutes. There is a wonderful point to discuss, end of this topic. Completed? Shall I write diagram? We will share pic through net. Okay. I'll come to that point. Chrome is standalone application or not? Coming. All points will come now. There is a wonderful discussion, end of this topic. Completed? Now, you should have little patience to write these notes, okay? Please don't feel lazy to write diagram. Diagram is, your brain can remember diagrams rather than theory. So diagrams are very important. Requesting everyone, please write this diagram. You have to write that person moving from his computer to this computer, okay? That person is moving from there to here. That is very important. To access standalone application, you have to go to the computer where it is installed. Please write down. Generally, BTech students are not having that much patience of writing notes. After joining BTech, we will write notes, no, right? So, up to intermediate, we are very much sincere, okay? Pages of notes we used to write, okay? BTech onwards slowly become lazy. Again, it's the time we have to go back to our olden days. Few days if we write notes, then we will have comfort in Java terminology. Then next days onwards, we can follow. 1 second. Hey, 1 second. Everyone stop. Are you writing left to right? Are you writing diagram left to right? First person, handle axis, then dabba, client computer, then network, arrow, server computer, project, arrow mark, amaya, diagram completed. Hey, what are you doing, Rababu? You are simply copying what I have written on the board. You are not learning. My question understand? Learning, sir, copying na. That is not learning. That is copying. What is learning? First question, where I have to start this diagram? First client will come or server will come? First server dabba. I have a server computer. Inside server computer, I have placed a project. In Telugu, Hindi, speak yourself. Okay, మనకు కంప్యూటర్ డబ్బా ఉంది, దాంట్లో ప్రాజెక్ట్ వేసేసాం, అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? దాన్ని నేను నా కంప్యూటర్ నుంచి యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు వీడిని నెట్వర్క్ కనెక్ట్ చేసేసాం. కంప్యూటర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నెట్వర్క్ రెడీ, దాన్ని యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి. యాక్సెస్ చేయాలంటే నాకు ఒక క్లయింట్ కంప్యూటర్ కావాలి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు క్లయింట్ కంప్యూటర్ నుంచి వైఆర్ నెట్వర్క్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ని యాక్సెస్ చేయగలనా? అమ్మా, నో. That's why it is called what? Standalone application. Then how can I access this application? అది మన కంప్యూటర్ నుంచి ఆ కంప్యూటర్కి నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. This way you have to speak yourself in Telugu, in Hindi, in English, which language you are comfortable. Understood? Don't copy as it is. If you copy as it is, your brain will not give you any replies. So start from here. Online students, this is server computer. First you have to start with server computer, then inside project box, and then connect the computer to network. Then tell yourself, I want access from where? From my computer. Then start my computer, then connect my computer to network. Now I am accessing the project via network. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Then we call it as what? Standalone application. Yes. Then ask a question, how can I access? For accessing, I have to go from my computer to the server computer where it is installed. So this is where you have to write the notes and speak yourself. Ruturaj, BSc, BCom, getting job on BSc and on BCom, getting job is difficult. Minimum post graduation is required. BTech or MCA is required. So because you are BSc, plan to join for MCA. You learn Java, full stack Java along with MCA. On BSc, getting job is difficult. Middle class abbai. So this batch is so many jovial students are coming here. Wonderful. Telugu talkie, sir. You came here. Huh? MSc with computer science, try with experience, not as a fresher. Kripal Singh. MSc with computer science is little difficult. Okay, you try. If you are as a fresher, didn't get job, try with experience. Completed a diagram? I have a question. Tell me, a standalone application is available in one computer. At a time, how many people can access? Only one person. Along with me, side one more person stand there coming with his keyboard. Can he access the project? No. Tell me, what is a standalone application? It is a single computer and single user application. Am I right? Add that statement down. One second. We will write that point at last. First you write this. Next, second point, an application that is installed in one computer and can be accessible from other computers throughout the world via network is called internet application. For example, Amazon, IRCTC, Instagram, Book My Show, YouTube, Gmail, Naresh IT, HK Programming World, etc. are internet applications. Can you draw internet application diagram by your own? Hey, once. This one. Completed? If completed, we'll try for the diagram. Next 5 minutes, very interesting questions are waiting for you after this diagram, okay? You definitely enjoy, lot of clarity you will get. Done? Ah. Now help me to write this diagram. Same diagram now. Generally, I will always try to copy paste previous diagram, previous program to give a feeling that how many times we have to learn? One time sincerely. Learn one time sincerely. Second point is always 75% of the previous point plus extra 1 or 2 points. First point, if you learn thoroughly, remaining points will come automatically. So believe me. Now tell me, what is the change from previous program to this program? Cross mark or tick mark? Tick mark will come. Via internet we can access. Very, very important. Should I come all the way from my computer to this server computer? No. Okay. He is this computer person. He is this computer person. Now the question, everyone think. I install the project in the server computer. Within the server computer also, can I access that project or not? Yes, sir. It has two facilities. A internet application can be accessible within the same computer, also accessible from other computer. Whereas standalone program can be accessible only in one place. You have to come to that place. Okay, write on the second diagram. Then I'll ask you the interesting question. Don't write complete diagram, only second diagram. 1 second, here I forgot. What I have to write here? Standalone application or internet application? This is IA. Only left to right writing. Right to left or left to right? First server, computer, then come here. Completed? Now I have a question. Naresh IT HR told me that it is. Okay, Ruturaj, if they told that there is no worry about the background, then you can join course. Okay, check with admin one more time and then take decision to join or. Okay, now write these 2 lines, last 2 lines, and I'll ask question. A standalone application is a single computer and single user application. An internet application is a multi-computer and multi-user application. Means at a time from multiple computers, multiple users can access. This is just a summary point. About 2 lines are broad explanation. These are the shortcut. That is a test match. This is a 2020 match. Today, due to raining outside, many people are not joining the class. Anytime I start new batch, I don't know why, suddenly 6 PM batch means rain will be there in Hyderabad. Okay, suggest, I mean, maybe rain also wanted to learn Java. It's many times happen. Demo classes 6 PM means definitely outside rain will be there. Completed? Now answer my question. Two questions I am asking. First question, number 1. The browser software. The browser software. Whether it is standalone application or internet application. Standalone. Internet application, right? Come on, boys. Girls confirmed it. It is a internet application. What about boys? Internet or standalone? Last chairs. Internet or standalone? Sir, how do I know, sir? Internet or standalone? Are notes written, na? I have taken one computer. Inside computer, you install browser. Now this browser software, you are accessing from where? Other computer, then internet. Unable to access, that is called what? Standalone. Again understand. Very important confusion question. Again repeating. Very important confusion question. Many students are here confusion. What is a standalone application? The confusion is, you are accessing the internet, you are accessing it from the internet. You are using this software to access internet is called internet application? No. Understand the diagram. Here, who is the browser? Chrome or Google Chrome or browser, whatever. You install the Google Chrome in my computer. I install Google Chrome in my computer. My computer connected to the network. Now you open your computer. From your computer, the Google Chrome installed in my computer, can you access? Then Google Chrome is a internet application or standalone application? Standalone application. But using Google Chrome, I am accessing internet now. Whom you are accessing? You are accessing Google Chrome or using Google Chrome you are accessing Amazon? Who is internet? Browser is internet, Amazon is internet. Advaita point? Did you understand my point? Again, I'm asking question. You start your computer, then you on the desktop, you are double clicking on browser. That means you are using the mouse of this computer and allowing accessing the software available in your computer hard disk. Then what is it? Standalone. Using the standalone application, you are accessing other internet application. Who is the internet application here? Browser, Amazon, YouTube, Book My Show, IRCTC. These are the internet application, but browser is not a internet application, because you are accessing it within the computer in which it is installed. Simple statement I will tell you. You installing in your hard disk and accessing from the mouse of your computer, then what we call it as standalone. Using standalone, can I access internet applications? Yes. Then who is internet? This application is internet? No. For example, I am teaching Java. Okay, I am teaching Java. Because I am teaching Java, can you call me as a student? No. I am teacher teaching to whom now? Student. Who is the student here? You are the student and I am the teacher. I am the standalone application and you are the internet application. Are you following my point? Everyone clear? Shall I ask next question? What is the conclusion statement I told? To decide. Keep all these things aside. Simple point. How can I decide? How can I judge it? It is standalone application or internet application? You installed a software in your computer and accessing from your computer desktop. Khatam. It is a standalone. Everyone got clarity? Using the standalone application, I can access internet applications. Okay. Because we are accessing internet application, this application not become what? Internet application. It is still standalone. Shall I ask a second question? Ready to answer? Is a mobile application standalone or internet? Why you are silent now? Previous like you wrong answer, so I don't answer now. Come on. Think. Give a right answer, wrong answer. Remember, all the people are here for what purpose? Learning. You will learn by giving right answers? No, by giving answers. That is right answer, wrong answer, none of your business. I will take care of it. So you give your answer. What you feel, you tell. Tell me. Mobile applications. You are accessing applications in the mobile, na? That mobile applications are standalone applications or internet applications? Wonderful. They are standalone applications. Why standalone? Explain. I installed in my mobile and accessing from my mobile desktop screen. That's why it is what? Standalone. But it is accessing internet now, sir. Without starting my mobile data, it is not working. Who is not working? This mobile application not working. The background accessing application not working. Data not loading into this application, but you can start this application. The data loading from where? Within this app or from the server? The program available in the server computer unable to send the data. That fellow is internet. But this fellow who installed in your mobile is what? Standalone application. Everyone got clarity? Right? Write down these two questions and I'll give more elaborated diagram for this. The browser software, whether it is, how can I make this question simple? It's a zigzag way there. Is a browser. Can I write like this? Is it okay, English masters? Is a browser a standalone application or internet application? Clear? Question correct? This is my English. Is browser a standalone application or internet application? Answer is what? Standalone. Why? Because we installed in our computer and accessing within our computer same. Question number 2. Is mobile app a standalone application or internet application? Again, standalone application because we install it in our mobile and access within our mobile. Everyone completed? Now, look at here, small diagram I'll explain you for you to understand where is standalone, where is internet. That confusion I want to give you clarity. WhatsApp is a standalone or internet? Look, everyone, watch here. This is your mobile, my mobile, okay? Now, once I start my mobile, here I'm clicking on my WhatsApp. When I click on my WhatsApp app is open. This is WhatsApp app. Something is there. Now, I stop my internet, no mobile data, okay? Everything is closed. Now, again, I'm clicking on my mobile. What do you call a WhatsApp app? Is it opened or not? It's opened, but data is not loaded. Data is not loaded. Fresh data is not loaded. Whatever the data showing is it fresh data na old data na? Old data. Fresh data if you want load connected to internet. Then the moment when I connect to internet, what happened? This standalone application is connected to the internet and talking to the server side available program, fetching the data from the database. Can you say all the people according to our project? Where is that project? I closed up. I don't. Where is it? Yeah. According to our project, this is our project. According to project, tell me, this mobile app is nothing but UI app na? Now, who is the internet application here? The mobile app UI background program available in server. Background program available server. So, this UI app is communicating with whom? The program available in the server. And it is talking to whom now? Servlet or Spring Boot. Is it clear now? Right. Tell me, if I don't explain this architecture, is it easy for you to understand what I am talking today? That's why first and second days I force you to write, understand project. So tell me, our course is not just learning language. Our course is learning project development. So according to project, all concepts you have to learn. Let me clearly explain with small diagram. Observe here. This is our server. Who's the server? WhatsApp server. This is WhatsApp server. A simple diagram, okay? Don't get boring, okay? Tell me now. This WhatsApp server accessing by mobile. This is the mobile. Inside mobile, I have installed WhatsApp software. Generally, this WhatsApp software is called client application. What do you call? Client. WhatsApp client. Now, your friend also has the mobile or not? Your friend also installed what? WhatsApp app. Okay, last few minutes, all the people focus. Then you open your mobile app and open your friend contact number and type what? Aira mama. Okay, and press enter. What happened? This hi will be appeared here in your mobile with only one tick mark. Yes or no? And then is this hi directly jumping to your friend mobile? No, Ray. Understand my point? Never. What happened? Now this hi will go to WhatsApp server and here this hi is stored in the database. This hi is stored in the database. How long this data available in the database? Forever? No. Until this person connect to the server. The moment this client connected to the server, this hi will be dropped in his mobile app. Hi is placed here and this hi is removed from the server. So tell me, the application available in the server computer receiving the messages from client is nothing but what? Server application. This server program is internet application. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? You take Instagram, you take Zoom, you take WebEx, all the stories, this is the architecture. Tell me now, if you are accessing the WhatsApp from the browser also, na? Right, tell me, now the browser, this is your computer, in the computer open the browser, type in WebEx app now, WebEx, WhatsApp web, then WhatsApp web when you type, then the client application is loaded, all the messages coming from the server to your application. Is it clear? So mobile applications and browser programs or browser software are not internet application. People are feeling it as what? Internet. All are what? Client applications. Tell me, WebEx software you install in your computer and log in and connecting to WebEx server program. That WebEx server program sharing my screen and my voice, my content to your desktop. So here my computer is a client, your computer is a client. For connecting both the computers, who is coming in the middle? Server. That server is internet application. So everything understood now what is happening in the software industry now, application, standalone internet, right? If you have this knowledge, then it will be super. You want to write this diagram or not required? Not required, and we'll go if you want, right? I'll give 2 minutes, your wish. Okay, it may be removed or there, doesn't matter, okay? Don't consider much. This high, after downloading, is it removed or not removed? I'm not much worried. Again, he's asking standalone application, internet application. Okay, mobile app is also having 2 parts. Okay, mobile app installed in your mobile is standalone. Understood, mister? Complete project is internet. But the mobile app installed in your system is standalone. Okay, now WhatsApp project is internet. The mobile app is UI application installed in your mobile is standalone. The mobile app available in server computer receiving your messages and forwarding your messages is internet. Okay, done? Everyone understood? Nice. So with this, we completed what the point? Standalone and internet application clear. All 4 points are clear? Really? Any questions, confusions? Okay. Now, next right heading. What is a platform? Next question, write down. What is a platform? Platform dependency and platform independence. Shall we discuss this point in tomorrow class? Because many students are missing today class, and this is a very, very, very important topic. Without this knowledge, understanding Java is difficult. So right question, and tomorrow we'll continue this topic. If you still have any questions, you can stay back, get clarity and go. If you don't have any questions, you can leave the class for today. Did you enjoy today class? Got some clarity on known points? Thank you. Online students, everyone able to write notes? Srivastav ji, the material I'm dictating in the class, you have to, if you write in the class, you just refer that notes. Otherwise, Google Classroom will be there for you to refer. If you complete payment, share your payment details to the admin. Admin will share you the material, Google Classroom link. You can join there. There you can find the material. Okay, now? Admin has a shared number. Arif, share your number again in the Google Class, in the chat window. Isn't? ఫ్రెషర్గా కష్టం ఎప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ అయింది 24 24 అంటే ఎంబీఏ మీద ఫ్రెషర్గా కష్టం అవుతుంది ఇంకా మీకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీద ట్రై చేయాలి ఎందుకు ఫైనాన్స్ సైడ్ జాబ్ ట్రై చేయొచ్చు కదా ఏం చేస్తారు మీ బ్రదర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో మరి ఇంకా ఆయన చూసుకుంటాడు నువ్వు నేర్చుకో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఆయన చూసుకుంటాడు కదా నీకు ఏం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లేదు బ్యాకప్ లేదంటేనే ఇబ్బంది కానీ మీ బ్యాకప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంకేం నేర్చుకోండి ఆయన చూసుకుంటాడు 22 అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్తో ట్రై చేయండి వచ్చేస్తా జాబ్ మేము చెప్పే జాబా మొత్తం నేర్చుకుంటే విత్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ జాబ్ ఓకేనా ఏది సర్వర్లో ఉంది వాట్సాప్లో 2 ఉంటాయి సర్వర్ సైడ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ క్లయింట్ సైడ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీరు మాట్లాడిన క్లయింట్ సైడా సర్వర్ సైడ్ మీరు చూస్తుందా చూడందా ఎందుకుంటుంది వాట్సాప్ ఈజ్ ఏ యాప్ ఈ యాప్లో 2 పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ మీరు చూస్తుంది ఏంటి ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ యూ డౌన్లోడింగ్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ మొబైల్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఈజ్ డౌన్లోడింగ్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ఇన్ హిస్ మొబైల్ బై యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ mobile apps we are accessing back end program that back end program is internet this front end program is standalone సేమ్ అన్నీ అంతే మీరు ఇంటర్నెట్ అంటే బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ మాత్రమే ఇంటర్నెట్ ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ మొత్తం స్టాండలోన్ అర్థమైందా ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టిల్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ నాన్న 2019 yeah Telugu talk is you are a well knowledgeable person man no need to ask me questions give chance for other students Priyadarshini you can try latest 3 years 24 23 22 and 21 you can show as experience and previous years you just convince the interviewer that you are working in some other core field or some other area okay thank you everyone thank you for your support cooperation for today class SSP server side executing program SEP server side executing program and DIA means database interacting program good night guys see you all tomorrow at 6 PM